What's up, guys? It's your boy Mr.Rockoff Johnson here with another video. This is Orochi. Say hi. I'm just letting him get some natural sunlight real quick. And this, of course, is my FRS. No, build all that kind of stuff, fast FRS. For my OGs of the channel, you guys are gonna like this because this is gonna be an install video. We haven't done that in a long time, let alone with this car. Orochi will not be in my hands the entire time, of course, but we've got some stuff to talk about. So I tell you what, let me go ahead and get him put away real quick, and then we can get to what the video is about. And now you're probably asking yourself, hey Keon, Mr. Rockoff Johnson, why the hell do you have a basically stock, I guess, coilover for the 86? And let me tell you, that's what this is about. We are installing this today, or however many days it's gonna take, in case I'm not able to do it all in this one day because of sunlight on the car, so that I can go ahead and race it in literally a week today, Capitol Raceway, at the girls versus guys race event. So yeah, that's gonna be fun. By the way, shout out to B-Rad Vision. This is actually one of his shirts. I need to order another one because I messed this one up a while back, so now it's one of my install shirts. Let's go ahead and get to it, because I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of doing this solo dolo, and I ain't got time to be messing around with the camera too much. Although obviously I am gonna be filming this entire process like how we always do, but let's go ahead and get to the nitty-gritty. You see this? That's bad. That's dry rot in there. It feels like it's just ready to come out, and it's actually gotten worse over time, and it's the same on this side as well, as you can see. You know, so that's why I got them. I actually got them from Ariana with the Mad Max BRZ. If you guys haven't checked out that video, because that video is going to be live before this one. These videos are still getting edited at the time of me recording this. At the time of me recording this, just so that you guys can understand how crazy my schedule has been lately. This is the 5th video that's kind of in the queue for, you know, getting edited and uploaded. But yeah, anyway, by the way, look on Patreon for an update video on my Snake if you want to know more about it, because I don't think I'm gonna put it on the actual YouTube channel. You guys get what I mean. So we did get this from Ariana. This was actually on her BRZ before she got the BC coilover system on it. Now it has, she told me it has some kind of like lowering springs. She doesn't remember what they are. I'm not really worried about it because I am going to upgrade the whole coilover system on this car, including the rear suspension, getting rid of that stock suspension in the rear that I had to have on it because of the tires. Because I might as well go ahead and tell you guys, because I am going to keep this car on drag radios, but I don't race it as much. I'm going to go ahead and drop it down, and I'm not on the street anymore, so I can go ahead and drop it down because it hooked up fine on the 245s at the track back when I was still racing this at the track and all that kind of stuff way back when we were really heavy with it. And pretty much the only reason why I only got these real fast, the rears are pretty good, but the only reason why I got these real fast is because since I'm racing in like a week, we literally were trying to get some coilovers in. I was gonna go with some teens, but they just weren't able to come in time. So that's why I have them, but they're gonna hopefully do me good. Basically stock, which is totally fine and okay. I'm great with that. I basically just needed to make a pass because I never duck no smoke, y'all. One thing I don't do is duck smoke. And I did get called out at the Maryland Auto Show by someone from Disturbance with the Camaro that they were wrapping and everything. So I said I was gonna be there, and I will get the car there. The car is gonna be untested. The converter, I'm waiting for it. It's on back order actually, and I'm waiting for them to come in. I have ordered it though. That is official. I have ordered the stock converter so I can put it back on this car to get it back in the way that, you know, it used to be, because that old converter of course needs to come out. And yeah, I think that's everything with this car. Now that all that's been run down, I'm gonna go ahead. First thing I'm gonna do is change the oil. Obviously not gonna film that because I mean you guys already. Oil catch can, oil filter, and there's a drain plug under there. I don't need to film that. And then we're gonna go ahead and get right to taking off the wheels and everything. Alright, so just so we're clear, this is what we're gonna be taking apart. We have to take off this toe arm, these bolts here. I'm kind of remembering what these are. Man, I'm gonna miss not seeing these green springs here, but it's for the better good. And then these coming off, these I think are a 10. I think they're a 10. No, I think these are 12. We're gonna find out, of course, but either way, yeah. This was a 19. I'm gonna go ahead and just do this side because I can't get the other side. Because one of the bolts is still on the tire, pretty good. So yeah. Pro tip: undo the brake line. That's a 14 by the 12. That's a 12 by the way. But undo the brake line so that you can have more travel when you take that bolt out at the top. Because you'll see what I'm talking about in a second. Hold on. Wait a minute. Yo! Oh my God. What?
The Birdman.
Yeah, there we go. My man. Yo, that is so cool. Guys, let me tell you something. That is so cool. Y'all heard him say it. That was the Birdman. Oh my God. That was such a treat. He just, well, I'm probably not gonna just put it in the video because I was playing music, so, you know, copyright, but I was just over here working on the car and he just, you know, came over and started talking to me and everything. Oh my gosh, that is so dope. But real quick, anyway, we got to our first problem. I gotta remember how we got this off. So I'm actually about to go get my phone. It was in a house charger. I'm actually about to go get my phone and watch my old video of us actually taking these off so we could do the springs on them. Because if you guys don't remember, we actually did the springs on this car. Like, we took apart the system and actually swapped the springs ourselves. We had a compressor, all of that. But yeah, I gotta figure out how to get this off. Y'all see this, man? But this is what you call an audible. What's up with you, bro? He came through with the Allen key. Cool beans. All right, so this is a 6 Allen key. I got it with the 17 now. Now we're taking off the end link. I think I was something like that. I'm gonna have to bleep that out anyway. But I think I was, and I called this a sway bar or something like that. Yeah, I meant to say end link. I don't know what made me say sway bar. I was actually going back and like looking at some of the footage, but yeah. So now I'm continuing on with this side, and I can go ahead and finish and put the new ones in. Make sure you follow the bro, by the way, because he came through with the Allen key that I didn't have, and we ain't talk about them yet. Him and somebody else, they LTMR, but we'll talk about that another time. But yeah. All right, so now that we've got the bottom undone with that end link, this is a 12. We're gonna go ahead, start taking this off, start busting these nuts. I know about busting nuts, right? There we go. All right. Accidentally dropped it down. extremely fast, but it's out. Here we go. Let me see so I can see that. Look at that. That's why we're getting rid of them, so we can make a good pass without dying. It's all dry rotted there. Damn, man, end of an era. Because we are never coming back to these. Even after we get done using Ari's, the next coilover system that goes on this car is going to be a full teen set. So, see you later. It went right in the grass. Here we go. On to the new one that Ari gave us. Again, it's not dry rotted at the top. So now we won't die. Alright, so now I just got done doing this side. It's the same as the other side, so that's why I didn't even film it, but everything's all buttoned up. So now the suspension part is done, and now it's time for me to move on to the inside. Don't mind all the mess and everything. I just hid everything in here. But now it's time to take out all the seats, because yeah, we about to race proof this thing. Alright, so we're trying to take out the one on that side. By the way, Low pulled up. Hi, Low. So back when I was street racing, I used to take these seats out a lot. So these can actually, they're just hand tight. So I don't need to do that. And then basically just lift it up. And all of these can come out. And it's the same thing with that. That's already unhooked. I think it's only like 1 bolt or 2 bolts are still in there. And they're only hand tight. So I can take those right out. But right now, we're trying to get these bolts off here. I got this one started. Or is it this one? One of these. I got one of them started, and the other one is just, the others are just terrible to get out. But yeah, so that's currently what's going on right now. Everything is now out that we can get out. We couldn't get this seat out, and I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I ain't tripping about it. I've never taken this seat out before anyway. I was just trying to take out as much weight as possible, but yeah, it's some star bit. Let me just show you guys. See that? It's a star bolt, and I don't have that, and we're not tripping about it, man. So pretty much now the car is done. Everything is buttoned up. I do need to tighten the wheels, but that's obvious. The car isn't even on the ground yet. But for the most part, the car's race ready. Lo doesn't know this yet, so I guess I'll get his reaction when I say this on camera. So I didn't have enough time nor funds, honestly, to get a new battery for the car. So I'm gonna be taking out the battery of the IM and using it to jump this. So yeah, real race car status right now. Cause the car, here's the thing about the battery. I'm pretty sure that once we get it driving and everything like that, it'll probably last the whole day. But once it sits for more than like, I say like 3-4 hours, it's done. So yeah. So that's how I'm gonna jump the car and everything like that. But everything is done. Everything left to do is just to clean it out of all the other random junk that's in it. But yeah. That's pretty much gonna conclude it for this video. I know I'm not wearing much right now, you know, just dirty clothes because I'm working on the car. But yeah, if you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe. Make sure you get the merch. Merch link is down in the description below. And as always, guys, you stay classy, stay positive, and have a good day.